Welcome to MarketsByLee, where we aim to study each candlestick form. Now, candlesticks. What really are candlesticks and how do they benefit me in my trading? Well, a candlestick is a visual representation of price movement over a specific time. The time that we're talking about could be as low as a second, it could be a minute, an hour, or even a day. The candlestick does encapsulate what the price movement was for that particular time. Now, when I'm looking at a candlestick, you might be wondering, how would I go about reading a candlestick? Well, in our case, a green candle would indicate to us that the price movement was higher, whilst a red candle would indicate that the price movement was lower. But I hear the terms red and green, but what does that really mean? Is it that there is just a color of the candle? Is there anything else outside of the color? Well, yes, there is. There is an overall structure of the candle that determines what the color in our instance would be, whether it be red or green. Now let's carefully examine a green candle. Now, as you can see, a green candle does have an opening price, a low price, a high price, and a close price. Whenever the opening price is below the closing price, then we will have a green candle. On the other hand, if we ever see an instance where we have a opening price being higher than the closing price, that is when we will have a red candle. Now it's important to know that the parts of the candle are also generalized. The large area of the candle is normally referred to as the body, and the top slender parts of the candle called the wick. Now, for our purposes in trading, we generally want to examine a group of candles. A group of candles is more valuable to study because they help us to predict where the next candle is likely to form. Now, I'm jumping ahead of things, but to get a better understanding of where the market is going to go and where the next candlestick is going to be formed, we'll be covering that in the next video. For now, that's all on candlesticks. Thanks for listening.